Personalized ornaments are some of my favorite ornaments. You can create personalized ornaments out of corks. With the holidays approaching and throughout the year, whenever you have wine or someone has wine, just collect the corks. If you can't collect your own corks, you can find them at stores and crafting stores or online. I just wanted to show you how you can create a personalized ornament. So this is a little wreath that's made out of cork. You hot glue them together. If you have a hard time gluing them together, you can always take the paper towel roll and cut a piece of paper towel roll board and just attach the corks to them, or you could just attach the corks to themselves. You can create these paper flowers. If you have any questions on how to create paper flowers, feel free to check out the Cup of Java YouTube channel. We have a lot of tutorials on making rosettes and paper flowers, so please check out those videos. You can take a few pine cone needles or pine needles and just add them to your wreath, and it's personalized, so you create whatever look you prefer. You can make coasters that are great gifts when people come over. You can just give them either a coaster or a set of coasters and tie it with a ribbon. For this coaster, I put a protector for your furniture so that it won't damage your furniture. You can also use cardboard, and I'll show you how to make it. It's quick and easy. But if you can find this, by all means get this to protect your furniture. And in one moment, I'll show you how to make it just with cardboard. This is such a quick and simple project. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you could just simply use a regular adhesive like Crazy Glue or Gorilla Glue. You'll just put the hot glue onto the piece of cardboard. And I like to do it in a pattern similar to this one, but you could do it in the same direction. And I go like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to end up covering over some of the hot glue anyway. So you're just doing the hot glue. If you want, you can remove the name on the cork and put your name or your family's name. You can even personalize it and put someone else's name on it. And you can just write. You have a lot of permanent markers that will allow you to write on the cork. If you want to make it extra secure, you could put hot glue on this side also so that it's hot glued to both sides. And you can see how within minutes, as I'm talking to you, if you want to create an ornament, leave a bit of the screw part out and you can just screw in a piece of fabric. You put one of those screws on it and you can put a piece of fabric, and when you put the piece of fabric, you can make an ornament. But if you prefer, just put this as little party favors. I think this would make a great party favor. And your guests will have something to take home with them. Okay, so within moments, we're making a coaster. You could make a whole set. Okay, and so once we've finished this, all you're going to do is put this on the table so your guests can pick it up before they leave. And if you have extra cardboard visible like we do, you'll just take a scissor and cut it off. So I hope you like this craft. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.